Bazali bakaMzitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umgosi wethu wanamhlanje. Bazali bakaMzitho, it's about the ex-boyfriend yaka Naledi Aphiwe uMawelele. Guys, Naledi Aphiwe said live yakhe stating that she thinks that uMawelele bangamthandi and she was only dating uMawelele, but uMawelele was not dating her. And I mean, guys, I really thought umjolo wabo into yokuthi bayasipranka kanti it seems like they were really dating, but uMawelele has posted a video with another girl kissing. I don't know whether uMawelele lezi zinto bekazisho on that live yakhe, on the videos that he made, that he wants a peace no Naledi Aphiwe, akafuni izinto zibe wrong, ufuna ukuthi babe calm. Him posting kissing another girl, ucabanga ukuthi bazobakhama kanjani, because now uNaledi Aphiwe uzotrenda, and the people they were taking uNaledi ukuthi look uMawelele nangisaka nomunye umuntu ukureplace within 24 hours, and akekho umuntu ozoreplace omunye umuntu, guys, within 24 hours. That means uMawelele has been dating this girl. But I need to remember uNaledi Aphiwe makazocala date uMawelele, there were also allegations that uMawelele is dating another girl, and that girl, there were allegations that it's rumored that she was expecting, I don't know yaphelela phi indaba pregnancy, and I don't know what happened to that girl, but the girl was saying no Mawelele bayadata, and no Mawelele they are expecting a child to get uNaledi Aphiwe wangena kanjalo. I guess it's karma if they were really dating, because a lot of people, guys, they are thinking that they were promoting that song yabo Romeo and Juliet, and now uMawelele is promoting another song, or Naledi Aphiwe is promoting another song since Simbone ashute no DJ Thira. Maybe there's a song azoyikhipha, so maybe ufuna nje this is just a PR stunt. They never dated, they've never been together, because even on that video my comments they were saying no, we've never seen uNaledi Aphiwe no Mawelele kissing on socials. But that is understandable, guys. Naledi is so young, so you being trending kissana bafana is not good for career. I don't think there's someone ofuna career or talent like dibe associated komunye umuntu kube nento ukuthi uNaledi kaMawelele uNaledi trended because bekathanda noMawelele, or uNaledi ingoma yakhe imanyelwe because uke ubonakala on the socials akhisana noMawelele. That is not good for career. I don't think that is good, because umuntu mele sikuthande purely for talent yakho, or for the good music that we are doing. I believe me, and I listen to music Naledi. I believe she's really talented, and Musi her working with Chris Brown is evidence that she is really talented. She has the voice, she has the talent, and she's going far, guys. So if they were really dating, I guess Mawelele was never in love with Naledi Aphiwe, or Mawelele, that is how he rolls. Bakhona abantu, guys, makaphuma komunye umuntu angene komunye umuntu so fast, and that doesn't mean wena unenkinga. That is how yena apusha ngakhona in life. So if vele bahlukene, sorry to Naledi, but she's still young, she'll find someone. I also saw Naledi being Naledi upost ukuthi sometimes uzokhalela igwinya kanti uNkulunkulu ukubekele ibheka, which is true, guys. Sometimes uzokhalela lo muntu kanti uNkulunkulu ukubekele okuhle phambili, lo uyambona ukuthi akekho right for yena. But bazalwa mthu, so please do comment down below your thoughts. Do you really think uNaledi no Mawelele they were dating, or they were just doing it to promote their song, or you think they were dating? I said that, guys. After commenting that below, please like, subscribe and share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.